The Rezkiy, hull number 343, was officially assigned to the Pacific Fleet. The information was announced on September 14, 2023. The ship belongs to the Project 2380 to replace outdated warships of the Russian Navy. Steregushchiy is the leading ship of the class. In total, the Russian Navy have publicly announced that they expect to procure at least 20 of these ships for all four major fleets. Project 2380, also known as the Steregushchiy class, was developed by the Arma Central Marine Design Bureau between the late 1990s and the 2000s. Prior to that, the Arma's Design Bureau only specialized in developing small missile ships, amphibious ships, and a variety of other types of ships. Rezkiy, the newest ship of the class, was laid out on July 1, 2016 and launched on July 1, 2021. The vessel was built by the Arma's Shipbuilding Plant, a subsidiary of the United Shipbuilding Corporation located in Komsomol-on-Amur. From October 5 to 24, 2021, Rezkiy was moved from Komsomol-on-Amur to Vladivostok. However, its factory and state tests extended more than a year than expected. Distinctively, the corvette features the new multifunctional radar complex Zaslon. This advanced radar is also installed on two Project 2380 corvettes under construction at the Severnya Verve shipyard in St. Petersburg. The corvette of the Project 2380 is a multi-purpose type which can be operated either solo or combined in a fleet. The ship can cover the fleet from enemy submarine attacks, engage skirmishes, and, if necessary, protect and blockade the coast. The characteristic feature of the Project 2380 corvette is its ability to minimize radar, noise, and visual signatures to the fullest extent, thanks to the stealth construction. Rezkiy has a length of 104.5 meters, a beam of 11.1 meters, a draft of 3.7 meters, with a displacement of 2,200 tons. The ship has a steel hull and superstructure made of composite material, with a bulbous bow and 9 watertight subdivisions. The bulbous bow reduces fuel consumption by about 20% over a non-bulbous bow. She has a bridge and a combined commander center, hull architecture, and fire-resistant radar-absorbent fiberglass applied in the design. The propulsion system is a diesel-electric arrangement driving two shafts. The four 16D49 diesel engines provide a total of 24,000 horsepower while generating 2,520 kW of electric for onboard operations. The ship can reach a maximum speed of 27 knots with a range of 4,000 nautical miles at a speed of 14 knots. The corvette's crew, consisting of more than 100 men, officers, and non-commissioned officers, are quartered in cabins, while the sailors and soldiers share the mess deck. The Steregushchiy class basic offensive weapons are two large launchers with a combination of urban missiles. Each platform carries 4 all-weather KH-35 anti-ship missiles. Each missile is capable of sinking surface ships with a displacement of up to 5,000 tons. The capability of the Uran subsonic missile is at least equal to the famous Caliber cruise missile in terms of operational range. The main close-range weapon of the Steregushchiy class is the 100mm A190 cannon at the bow of the ship. The cannon can fire at a rate of 80 rounds per minute. Effective range is 20 kilometers. The Corvette is also equipped with two AK-6 30M closing weapon systems installed near the stern. These guns fire 5,000 rounds per minute to a maximum effective range of 5,000 meters. They could deal with both surface ships and air targets at close range. In addition, the ship is also equipped with two quadruple torpedo tubes for the technologically revolutionary Parket NK anti-torpedo missile. To counter enemy torpedoes, Russia uses control jet torpedoes. The Parket NK system reduces the risk of a corvette being hit by enemy torpedoes by a factor of 3. For attacks on enemy submarines and surface ships, there are Malishka torpedoes, which can accelerate to 50 knots, destroying targets at distances of up to 20 kilometers.